2008 Toyota Yaris, 1.5 liter, 4-cylinder, you know, commuter car. Anyways, it's got factory converter right there, secondary converter there. Then it's got a resonator in the middle. Then 1.5-inch pipe all the way back. And we had a 2-inch pipe, cut the muffler off, and put a eBay cheap black muffler that he supplied right there with a resonator. He's still got the baffle in it. He's gonna take it out later. There it is, Yaris, Toyota Yaris, 1.5 liter. And like always, guys, please subscribe. It helps the YouTube algorithms and keeps us on top. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it.
Yeah. That's not bad. What do you think?
That baffle doesn't come out. It's quiet. That's sound decibel meter. 99.7. 0.8. What do you think? You want to take the baffle out?
Yeah, let's see.
It's a lot of work to get that little baffle out. Look, they're really working hard. We even got the customer working. Look, 2-man job. And that's how easy it is to take out. Take it out. Almost. Ah, there it is. That's all it looks like. Let's see how big of a difference it makes in sound. Go ahead. That's better. Go ahead again. It brought it up to 101. Go ahead and back it up. Just back it out straight, yeah. And like always, guys, please subscribe for more content. And Yarises and everything else that comes through these doors. We don't shy away from nobody. And we appreciate everybody. Park it there and give it gas. Put it in park and give it gas. Listen to that Yaris. I love it. That sounds good. You guys gotta admit, for a 1.5 liter, that doesn't sound too bad. Hope you guys like it.